How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron back at another Jeep Wrangler video. Today we're going to be installing some nice grill inserts. I believe these are by Lightway. I'm getting them really cheap on Amazon for around like 30 bucks. It's a nice upgrade. I've been looking to do it for a while and actually got these for free from a co-worker. They're nice because they protect the exposed radiator from debris, rocks, bugs, everything like that. They'll go right into the grill inserts, obviously, into the grill. You can get some better ones out there. You have ones that don't have adhesive backing. You have ones that clip strictly into the grill. I would have honestly went with one of those, so you don't have to use tape, because I had these tape for the ones I had in the Patriot, and they are not even, I didn't even remove the ones in the Patriot. The ones I removed, the angry eyes in the Patriot, and I swear those were such a pain in the ass to remove the adhesive tape. So honestly, I'd honestly try to get one of the clip-in brand ones that doesn't use the tape. I'm not really a fan of using 3M tape on paint, because it could fuck up the paint when removing, if you ever do remove them. So it's an easy install, not even like 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. So obviously the first step is to remove the 3M tape backing. Just want to peel off all the red. Like that. And then these are specific to the way they go on. As you guys can see, the factory Jeep grill has this little surface at the bottom. This little surface is going to go on the bottom as well. So all you're going to want to do is stick her on. Like that. And it gives it a pretty good look. I like the factory Jeep grill look, but at the same time I wanted some protection. So I'm going to do all the other ones, and we'll wrap up the video. Like I said, less than 5 minutes to install. Okay, and that's them all installed. They look pretty good, and they serve a good purpose. But honestly, I'd probably go with one of the clip-in brands, like I was mentioning in the intro of this video. The 3M double-sided tape wasn't really sticking that well to the grill, and if I actually go up close, you guys can actually see that. You guys can actually see the tape from the tops of them, and they aren't really stuck to the Jeep too well. Like they kind of, like, if you look at them, they have gaps and whatnot. So I would definitely go with one of those clip-in brand ones, like I mentioned in the intro. I'll link these exact ones, and I'll link one of those clip-in ones in the description as well. But they look good. A little low quality, but they're gonna protect the radiator and whatnot. So I mean, that's the purpose that it serves. So yeah, I'll be making some videos on my 35s no lift real soon, how to fit 35s no lift and whatnot. So yeah, subscribe for more Jeep Wrangler JK videos. Like if you enjoyed, comment what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you all next time.